This is a staff class note page. Teachers can utilize this page for converting class note into digital format and made available for his or her students. In this demo page, we can see the subjects and topics dealt by a particular teacher. It contains edit and delete options at the right side, whereas filtering options for topic, class, subjects are present over left side. So now let's see how to create a note. Click to the create bar, which opens to a create link page containing options to choose class, subject, topic, and we can add details on the topic down within a paragraph restriction. After completion of the above details, go for the next bar. Here we can share any Google or YouTube links with regard to the topic. For example, in this context, we are copying a Wikipedia link and pasting it, along with specifying the link name and press add button. So you can see as I'm clicking to the link, it is opening to the original page. In this manner, you can add or remove links as per the need of students. When coming to the next step, it's similar to the previous step. Like we can upload any particular document supporting the topic. Repeating that, it's all just optional and can skip the steps if not necessary. As you can see here, in the next step, it's all about uploading an image. As you can see, we have done with it. So next we are leading to the final step, that is regarding the availability of class notes. In this section, the teacher can decide for which class divisions is this note available and also from which day onwards it is published. After clearing these details, click on to the publish option and the class section is scheduled as per the dates given by the teacher. So the students can make use of them from the date of publishing. This is all about creating a class note, and if the teacher wishes, they can edit it by adding documents, images, or can make any changes further if needed. And this is all about a teacher's class note.